Hello and welcome to UTS Library's tutorial on referencing a book using the AGLC 4 style. In this video we will show you how to reference a book as a footnote where the entire book is written by the same author or authors. To begin referencing a whole book, you need the authors of the book, the title of the book, the publication details, and a pinpoint if needed. After you gather this information, it's time to reference. Start with the authors' names in their natural order, that is, first names, then surname. If the book was written by 2 or 3 authors, place commas between each name until you reach the final name. Then, use the word "and" to separate the last 2 authors. Make sure you keep the authors' names in the same order as they appear in the source. If you have more than 3 authors, use only the name of the first author appearing on the source, followed by et al. Next, write the title of the book in italics. Capitalize all the words in your title except for articles such as the, a, or an, conjunctions such as and or but, and prepositions such as on, with, before, within, or in. Next, in brackets, include the book's publisher, edition number if present, followed by ed, and the year the book was published. Make sure the ordinal part of the edition number is in superscript, for example, the th of 7th. Lastly, if you are pinpointing a page in the book, insert it here, followed by a full stop. Remember that references in footnotes always end with a full stop, while references in your bibliography never do. In this video we covered how to reference a book in a footnote. For more information on the AGLC 4 style, visit our referencing pages on the library website.